Hi, this is Rishi from ImpactLanguageTraining.com. This is a section of children's short stories. Here you will hear me read out stories for you. After every sentence, there will be a gap or dead air. Just repeat what you hear in the gap. You can switch on the subtitles. Here we go.
Tina's toy house. Tina is a pretty girl. She loves to play with her toys. She has many toys, like Gogi the horse, Minnie the doll, Polly the naughty bear, Chinky the cat, and many more. Tina has a small toy house. The roof of the toy house is painted in yellow, walls in red, and doors with green color. Tina loves her toy house a lot. She keeps all her toys safely in her toy house. Tina also likes to decorate her toy house with different things. She has decorated the roof of her toy house with colorful paper hangings. Tina's toys love Tina for making their home so beautiful. Today, Tina's father has returned from office very early. An uncle and a naughty-looking boy are also with him. The uncle is father's friend. His name is Mr. Pat. The young boy is his son. His name is Joe. Tina's father asks her to show Joe her toy house. Tina is feeling bad. She is making faces. Joe is looking at the toy house with a naughty smile.
Hi, this is Rishi from ImpactLanguageTraining.com. I hope that you're repeating the sentences.
Tina, come here. Complete your homework and then you can play with your toys, said Tina's mother from the other room. Tina left Joe near her toys and went to finish her homework. Oh no! What has Joe done to my toy house? Cried Tina when she returned to her room. Joe had broken Tina's lovely toy house. All the toys are lying outside the broken toy house. They all are crying. Oh no, my lovely toy house. Look what Joe has done, cried Tina. Everybody heard Tina crying and came running to her. Joe's father asked Joe in a loud voice, "Have you done this, Joe?" He seems angry with Joe. "Daddy, I just tried to sit in the toy house and it broke down," replied Joe. "I'm sorry, Tina, for Joe has broken your toy house," said Joe's father. I'll get you a new toy house today only. No, I want my toy house only. I love it a lot, said Tina in a sad voice. Okay, then we will repair it just now and make it more beautiful, right? Said Joe's father. Please give me the toolbox, he said. Joe and his father started repairing Tina's toy house. Tina was happy to see that even Joe was working.
Hi, this is Rishi from ImpactLanguageTraining.com. I hope that you're reading loudly and clearly.
Soon the toy house got ready. Wow, this looks even more beautiful, said Tina happily. Joe's father made a staircase that led towards the terrace of the toy house. There was also a pathway with fence around it. Tina was happy to see this. She looked at her toys. They also looked very happy. Tina picked up all her toys and kept them into her new toy house. Polly Bear was the happiest because he was made to sit on the terrace of the toy house. Joe came near Tina and said, I'm sorry, Tina, for breaking your toy house. But see how lovely your new toy house looks? Yes, Joe, I'm glad that all my toys are happy in their new house, said Tina smilingly. Can we be friends, Tina? Tomorrow I'll get a new toy parrot for you, said Joe. Okay, Joe. You are a good boy. Let's be friends, said Tina. Tina not only had a new friend, but also a new toy in her toy house. It was a naughty little parrot. Tina named it Fluffy. Tina seemed as happy as before.
This recording is the property of ImpactLanguageTraining.com. Thanks for listening.